Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study for IB Biology SL. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus, paying close attention to the core topics and options. Next, understand the command terms used in exam questions, as this guides your answer structure. Finally, consistent practice with past papers is crucial for identifying common question types and improving your time management skills. To master IB Biology, active recall is key. Develop comprehensive notes and flashcards for each topic, testing yourself frequently. Visual aids like diagrams and flowcharts can simplify complex biological processes, making them easier to remember. Don't hesitate to form study groups. Discussing difficult concepts with classmates can provide new perspectives and solidify your understanding. For exam success, thoroughly review mark schemes from past papers. This helps you understand what examiners are looking for and how points are awarded. Practice writing full essay responses to develop clear, concise arguments and use appropriate biological terminology. During the exam, allocate your time wisely across all sections to ensure you attempt every question and maximize your potential score. Beyond your textbook, explore a variety of external resources such as educational videos and supplementary online materials to deepen your understanding. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Getting enough sleep and taking regular breaks are essential for effective learning and retention. Also, check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.